How to use the PDCA cycle in the food industry. There are 4 main stages for the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check and act. The following is a quick summary of each stage. Plan stage. In the planning stage, we identify the problem statement, and collect data and intended root causes and outcomes. Skhmot, 2017. Based on this definition, we select the intended outcomes and develop a plan to meet the outcomes. The planning stage also helps to evaluate and forecast potential problems that may arise during the do stage and prepare for mitigation steps to prevent potential problems. Do stage. In the do stage, we develop and implement a solution, decide on potential solutions, and measure the result. Skhmot, 2017. You must follow the plan by treating the studies as experiments and documenting every step. Study, check stage. In the study, check stage, we check the status or effectiveness of the implemented plan. Hussain et al., 2020. Questions may include the intended outcome met. If the intended outcome was not met, why or what went wrong? Act stage. In the act stage, we review the solutions against standards and take action. Food Bionetwork, 2020, and document results and information about process changes and recommended changes. Skhmot, 2017. The act stage is the final stage of the process and the first stage for the next cycle.